Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if control center feels cluttered, missing important controls, or not optimized for how you use your iPhone, don't worry. In iPhone settings 2026, you can fully customize control center to add, remove, and organize controls exactly the way you want. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to set up control center on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, go to settings. Okay, go to control center. So let's type it here, control center, tap here. Okay, so this is where all control center customization happens. Okay, you can say previously. So now turn on access within apps. Okay, so as you can see, it's already on. This allows you to open control center from any app, not just the home screen. If off, you must exit apps to access control center. Okay, so under included controls, you will see the controls currently available in control center, such as, for example, so swipe down like this, we have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, music and media, screen mirroring, focus, orientation, lock. So these appear immediately when you open control center. Okay, you can add more controls. Okay, so scroll down and to more controls. You can, for example, tap any space like here in the corner and tap add control, and you can add any control you want from these options here. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.